Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to order or buy an Airtel 5G SIM online. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's jump into it. Alright, open up any web browser on your PC, laptop or mobile device. Head over to Google and type in Airtel 5G SIM online buy. And then the first result here from airtel.in, buy prepaid SIM cards online with free delivery. So click onto that one. Give this a few moments to load up. And then from here you've got a couple of options. So you can do $2.99 truly unlimited calls or $4.79 truly unlimited calls for either 28 days or 56 days. So with 1.5 gigabytes per day. So choose which best suits your needs. And then once you've done that, enter in your name, mobile number, and if you want to port this number, click on yes and then enter a PIN code, or if you want no, I want a new connection, you can click on that. With location, put in your location, or you can click on use your current location. And then after that, click on submit, and then it will go through the payment processing page to complete the purchase. And then once that is done, you'll get your new Airtel prepaid SIM card in a matter of a couple of days, or even same day delivery, just depending where you're located. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching till the end of this tutorial. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this was helpful.